It is delicious. G'day folks. Valentine's Day was just a little while ago, and I got a little present from my wife Jeanette for Valentine's Day. It's actually this cast iron Dutch oven. It's going to be great for over the campfire. Right now I'm going to season it to get it ready for cooking. Now it says on the box that it's already pre-seasoned, but I'm going to put it through a seasoning procedure anyway, just to make sure. So stick around and just go through what I do to pre-season the cast iron. Basically I'm going to coat it with oil, put it in the oven for a little bit to bake for an hour, and let it cool. And you can repeat that process over 2 or 3 times. I'm just going to do it once for now and see how it comes out. Take you along. So basically, first thing I do, guys, is put a bit of oil in the pot. And we're just going to give it a nice light coating all over. So take some paper towel and coat the inside of the pot all the way around. And you don't want any excess oil left in here when you're finished. Just a thin coating over the entire cast iron pot. So I'm just going to do the inside. I don't need to do the outside of the pot. Not going to be cooking on the outside. So yeah, give it a nice thorough thin coating, and do the same thing for the cover. So once I'm happy with that, I basically take it and put it in the oven for about an hour at 350. So yeah, nice light coating here, and we'll put it in the oven. So folks, slight change of plans. I just coated the outside of the pot also. I just looked at the instructions that came with it. It says to coat all surface areas of the pot for seasonings. So I did coat the outside of the pot and the cover at the same time with light oil. So it's now in the oven. So folks, I got the pot in the oven upside down, and I just put a bit of tin foil underneath to catch any drippings that actually do, if any, come off the pot as it's curing. Okay, we'll wait for an hour. It's 1 hour later now, folks, and you'll see that the pot is blackened up quite a bit. It was gray when I put it in there. So yeah, I'll just let it sit in the hot oven now. Let it cool down. It's cool down on its own, and we get to try it later on the campfire. Wonder what we're going to put in it for the first meal. I think I got an idea what I'm going to put into it. Some 2024 rabbit. That's what's going to go in that pot, I'd say. Anyway, catch up with you when we get out in the woods on the campfire. folks, out for a snowmobile ride, but it's pretty rough up on the country. All the snow that we had drifted off, so it's pretty rough in spots, and coming through the gullies there is still nothing froze up good. So we're not going to go that far, but just out enjoying the lovely afternoon. Going to go back after the ride and have a little cook-up. Take along for that later on today. I got a new pot I'm going to try. Probably you've seen it in the opening. I had a new cast iron Dutch oven. So I got that cured up, seasoned. I'm going to put that on the campfire now and have a little feed. So anyway, we're going to finish our ride here. We can explore a few more areas. Probably put up the drone, and we'll get cooking later on. Talk to you later, folks. Got this case a couple years ago, folks. It's basically an ammo case from Princess Auto. Keep all my drone gear in it. Drone actually just comes in this little soft case, but keep it in this case. Keeps it waterproof and protects it from beating and banging around. Anyway, this is my little drone. It's a DJI Mini 2. There's probably a Mini 3 out there now, I think. Yes, there is. Got a few more features, but this one works for the things that I use it for. Easy to fly. You can just let it, once it goes up airborne, you can stay hover until the batteries run out. But other than that, left, right, up, down, forward, backwards. Pretty straightforward. And the camera is built in. Take a high quality video, 4K video if you want. And actually today I got a new UV filter on it for the snow conditions today. See how that works out for the video quality. Anyway, let's get her up. The drone. guys, yeah, it's pretty rough up there, gotta say. What I had to do now is, I got one of my game cameras here. I'm going to retrieve my game cameras and take them in for the season right now. Not at rabbit catching, so take them in and give them a good check, good going over and see what's on the cards. Maybe there's something on them. Anyway, folks, catch up at the cookout. So folks, this is the cast iron Dutch oven that I seasoned the other night. Saw that video, heard the video earlier. And bottled rabbit. Saw that in another video previously. So we're going to christen this pot today with some of my hard-earned rabbit. Anyway, I just let you know, I just took up my game cameras this morning, and rabbits have been back in the pens. I got some footage here if I'll show you where they've been in the pens eating feed and leaving buttons. I took all my snares up, of course, but there's still a few rabbits around, and I won't be bothering them now the rest of the season. I'll leave them there, let them breed for next year or whatever. So yeah, so there's still a few rabbits around despite all the money that I lost for the brass wire. Anyway, let's get this on the go. I got the kettle put on there, and I'm gonna open this now. And this is the way I open any bottle meat. I puncture the seal and then remove the lid. I don't reuse my seals, any bottle stuff, so doesn't matter if I puncture them. Oh, you can definitely smell the steak spice. Now there, there's fork here somewhere. There we go. So we're gonna warm this up on the fire, folks. And oh, I wish you could smell this, folks. I really do. It smells delicious. So like I said, I had 4 quarters and the backbone put in each bottle. So basically 1 rabbit per bottle. And it makes up for a quick, easy meal like this. Now, way too much here for me to eat my lunch, so I'll have leftovers again. Probably more for lunch. Got myself some gravy browning when the time comes to do that and gets warmed up, and of course a couple slices of homemade bread. So yeah, it's gonna be a good lunch. Get this put on the pot there now, on the fire there now, guys, with the kettle, and come back to it. The kettle's boiling there now, folks. I'm just going to push this back out the side, keep it warm. Not ready for my tea yet. This is definitely warm enough. Gonna make a bit of gravy now. Got myself some gravy browning here, thickener. Yeah, let's go with all of it. Put it all in there. Oh my. Let that simmer for a little bit more. It's almost is done now basically, but I think she's done, folks. I'm gonna give her a try here now. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh boys. Doesn't that look delicious? Take off my mitt. Oh boy, oh boy. Gotta get some of that gravy, guys. Soak up the bread. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Just move this out of the way. Just over there, not far though. Can't move it too far. Now folks, it's all worth it. All the struggles with the rabbits, I can tell right now this is worth it. Oh. Get a bit of bread in there now. Oh my. Wish we were here, folks. It's delicious. And I gotta do it. Apologies to Chuck Porter in advance, but oh man, it is delicious. Anyway, folks, I think that closes it up for this video. I'm gonna pour up a cup of tea here now and finish off my lunch. And I want to thank you all for tuning in. Thanks to all the subscribers, all the likes, all the comments, and share the video. I posted on Facebook, and so just share it amongst your friends and keep it going. Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video, folks. Thanks for watching. Now, oh my, back to my meal. Simply delicious, folks.